What is the other name of demand curve? Oh, sorry guys. It is the price. And price is always above the marginal revenue MR. So either B or A can be, but we choose A. Why we choose A? Because MR is always less than the price. So curve B gonna be the MR, curve A gonna be the price. So again, refer to the figure here. If the monopoly firm is currently producing at Q3, this level, then a decrease in output will necessarily cause profit to. It's a challenging question. Answer that. And remember our 3 rules of production. MR greater than, let me write it down here. If you remember these 3 rules, you can answer this question. So what you are trying to do, you are going from Q3 to Q2. What will happen?
Profit will decrease.
Okay, you say B. Any other?
But you said now that if we moved from Q3 to Q2, but two of the answers include Q1, like as long as the new level of output is at Q1. So I'm a bit confused.
Profit going to increase as long as the new level of output is at, wow, decrease. The profit will decrease as the new level of output is at least here. Because at Q1, this is not, no, this part is nothing to do with that. Just ignore that one. So by moving from Q3 to Q2, what will happen? The profit gonna be increased or decreased? What is the Q2? Q2? Okay, let me write it down. This is the condition A, condition B. If we move from Q3 to Q2, which condition fulfills? A, B, or C?
C.
So what will happen? Profit will increase or decrease? Profit will increase or decrease? At C, profit would be maximized, right?
Yeah.
So above here, profit is decreasing. So when you came back here, profit will be increase. Right?
Yeah.
Ignore all these. This is the extra information right now. Okay, well done. And now the same, the same figure. Now, profit can always be increased by increasing the level of output by 1 more unit if the monopolist is currently operating at. What does it mean? They are saying that profit can be increased if you move from, and it includes always. If you always move from this quantity to onward, the profit going to be increased. So which condition is that one? Oh, sorry, this would be equal. So where we are, if we are at condition A, then by producing more, your profit gonna be increased. So where is that condition? At Q4? Answer is wrong, because where is condition C? Condition C is on Q2, right? Q2, this is MR and MC. It means if we are on Q0 and we always increase from Q1 to Q2, our profit gonna be increasing. So which one is true? Guys,
A.
well done. If you are at Q0, you produce Q1, your profit will increase. If you are at Q2, Q1 to Q2, your profit will be maximum. On Q2, profit is already maximum. You will increase the production. By Q3, your profit will decrease. Well done, guys. Okay, let's take a break and then we'll discuss about the monopolistic competition and oligopoly after the 15 minutes break. Okay, guys, see you after 15 minutes. Okay, guys, welcome back after a short break. Okay, now, okay, before that, if you have any question regarding perfect competition or monopoly, anyone? No? Okay, let's talk about the monopolistic competition. First of all, its characteristics. Number one, so some of its characteristics are from monopoly and some of its characteristics are from competition. So monopolistic competition, many sellers, product differentiation, which means they are selling some kind of unique product, different products, free entry and exit, and they are price maker. So you see, some characteristics are of monopoly, like price maker and product differentiation, unique product, and some characteristics are of competition, like many sellers and many buyers, and then free entry and exit, right? So the short run scenario and long run scenario. So in short run, we have discussed when we talked about the monopolistic competition extensively. We talked about that in short run, the monopolistically competitive firm, it behaved like monopoly, but with one condition, that is the monopoly, they will not be having any loss, but monopolistically competitive firm, they will be having a loss because there are many firms. In monopoly, they are single firm, so the price is going to be above marginal cost, so they will not decrease their price because they are only one firm and they control the price. The monopolistically competitive firm, although somehow control the price, they are price maker, but due to there are several firms in the market, they can experience loss as well. Okay, so in short run, monopolistically competitive firm, it behaved like monopoly. So yeah, so what is the structure here? So first of all, let me draw it so that we can understand. So let me make it clear for you. So we will be having, so this is the every total cost. This is the MC. This is the price or demand curve, and this is the MR. So where we need to produce, where MC is equal to MR. This is the Q max. So by producing this quantity, what is the price? Price is on the price line. This is the price, right? What is the cost? Cost is on the cost line. So this area or this triangle, the black one, ABCD. So this is called, let me fill it with, I think, brown color. This is called profit. What is the loss situation? Where price is less than every total cost. Let's also draw this one. So any question regarding this drawing? If no, then I'm going to remove that one and draw the loss condition here. So this is the every total cost. This is the MC. And what we call about the loss when price is less than every total cost. So price is going to be here, and MR is even less than the price. So where we need to produce, where MC is equal to MR. So MC is equal to MR at this point. By producing Qmax, what is the price? Price on the price line. And what is the cost? Cost is on the cost line. Here we go. So this point A, B, C, D. I'm going to fill it with red color. So this rectangular we call as loss. So this is the only difference in short run between monopolistically competitive firm and monopoly, that although in short run the monopolistically competitive firm, the monopolistically competitive firm behave like monopoly, but in short run it can have loss. Whereas monopoly in long run and short run, they may not have any loss, right? So let's go to our slide here and let's see a very nice drawing over there. So in short run, when firms make profit, so its analysis exactly look like monopoly. See here? Right? Where we need to produce MC is equal to MR. So price is on the price line, cost is on the cost here. So this is area, the blue filled area is called profit. So firms make loss. See here? When the price is less than the every total cost here, where you need to produce MC is equal to MR. So other side of the coin of profit maximizing is loss minimizing. So just don't be confused with the word loss minimization, because profit maximizing mean the other side of the coin is loss minimization. Where we need to produce, where MC is equal to MR, what is the price? Price is on the price line, the cost is on the cost line. So this